Hey guys, it's Brittany with Scott Leray Marketing. Today I'm going to be showing you how to embed a YouTube video right onto a mass email that you would be creating from within Command. This will allow your clients to press play right on the video within that email rather than adding a link, which will make them open that video in a new tab. I've already put together my content for this mass email in a Word doc just so I can copy and paste over the rest of the content. Side note, this process will actually work for any iFrame code you may want to add to the mass email template, whether it's for an image, a website, a landing page, or a video from another platform other than YouTube. I'll add the tips on how to create those iFrame codes in the summary of this video just for reference. So to start, I'm logged into my KW command platform, and I'm actually just going to click on my designs icon on the left-hand side. Once this page loads, in order to start a new template, we're going to click on the plus sign in the bottom right-hand corner. Then we're going to be selecting email, and we'll click next. The first thing you'll want to do once this page loads is just retitle it. That way, when you come back to make designs or essentially edits to your design, you'll be able to distinguish which one is which. So today, my mass email, I'm just going to put information on how to update and edit your IDX websites. So I'm just going to label this Command IDX website email. So now once I have my page labeled, I can start adding my information. So I'm going to start by adding in just a regular section, which is just going to allow me to drop text into it. So I'm going to drop that at the top, and I'll add my text. So now it's saying my template was auto-saved. I'm going to pull up my Word document with my information, and I'm going to grab the text that I want to add right at the top of my page. So I'll copy and paste that in. And you'll notice that when I have my Word document, this is centered, and when I copied and pasted it in, it actually keeps that format. Just in case you do want to format your information, you can always format it in either a Word doc or a Google Sheet, and when you copy it over, it will actually keep that formatting for you. Now I'm going to drop another section right underneath that. I'm going to add text again, and I'm actually going to grab my URL for my YouTube code. So I'm going to copy that. And I'm just going to paste that into a new browser or a new tab on my browser. And then let's grab this. So once I have my video popping up, I'm going to pause it. All I'm going to do is right click on my video and click copy embed code. This is actually going to generate the iFrame code for us. So I'm just going to grab that. Then I'm going to come back over to my command platform. I'm going to make sure that my text is highlighted, so I'll be erasing that with this code, and then I'm just going to paste it. When you first add this, obviously this looks a little bit weird, but what I'm going to do is add in all of my videos and my text, and then I'm going to show you guys on the actual preview so you can see exactly what it will look like. So now that I have that video added, I'm going to come in here and I'm just going to do my other two videos. I'll right click, copy my embed code, and then I can come back in here. Perfect. And then grab my last one. And then paste that one in as well. And then if you want to put either what the video is about or any sort of title, you can also add that in. So if I want to copy my titles of my videos, I can actually drag and drop a text box right above and just paste that in. So I'm just going to add those in real quick. And I'm just copying and pasting. That's keeping all my formatting, my bold font. And now for the bottom, I'm going to add one final text box right to the bottom. And I'll just copy in the last part of our email. So once I have that information added, all I'm going to do is click on Update Template. And then once you get that green box that populates right at the top saying that your template has been updated, you're good to go. So now I can go back. It's going to ask you again, do you want to save any unsaved changes? I'm going to click yes, just to make sure. And now you'll see your template right here populating. You have your title, it has the date, that way you can keep track of them. All I'm going to do now is actually go into my campaign section so we can see a preview and actually set up this mass email. So again, I'm going to click on campaigns, page. Once you're in this section, we're just going to create a new campaign. So top right-hand corner, we're going to click on create a new campaign. And then we're going to click on email. Once you have this information, or once you have this page popped up, you're just going to add in your information for your mass email. So campaign name, how to set up your new KW IDX websites. And then I'm actually going to copy that and use the same thing for my subject. So for your recipients list, you would need to have your MailChimp account linked up here in order for your recipients list to populate. And then coming down here for content, all I'm going to do here is just click on Apply Design. The first thing that shows up is just the KWRI templates, but if we click on My Design Templates, we're going to see our new one that we just created. So I'm just going to click on Command IDX Website. And then we have all of our titles, our contents at the bottom. We have our title centered right at the top, and we can just click Apply Design. And once you do that, you'll see your template again on the right-hand side. And you'll see that these are completely clickable. So your clients can just go ahead and click that video right within that email. And that is how you add a video from YouTube to your mass email template. Again, this process will work for any iFrame code. You would just add that iFrame code into that template. And once you come into update design, or essentially apply design, you'll see whatever that iFrame code is affiliated with right on your template. And then just save as draft. And then that will essentially save right under your campaigns and emails. Just in case you want to make edits, this is where it will be located. And that's how you add an iFramed video to your mass email template.